girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, glad to meet you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're really something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around.
Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's gonna make you know. I'm working on me. They jealous how they lurking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me. Ride or dying for me. Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know you. Come take a chance. It's like that I know you know. When you see it's like that I know. Oh, it's like that I know. I've learned 5 for 5 of pure sexy. I see. Her bitch tryna be her and they wanna make it. You get a bookings in my city. I see niggas looking in my city. I know what you've been up to. And it's no good, it's no good. You know what I'm doing. Baby, I'm out you, baby, I'm out you. What I'm pursuing. You know. Girl, the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know. Come take a chance. It's like that.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You tryna come back when you face. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get me to stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house. What said you need some time, but I should stick around. What always felt like sticking around's the same experience. And like guns with the ink in, getting under my skin. A little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated, I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna
Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. 5'5" with pure sexy. I see. Her bitch tryna be you. Her and they wanna meet you. You get a bookings in my city. I see niggas looking in my city. I know what you've been up to, and it's no good, it's no good. You know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm out you, without pursuing. You can know, girl, the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know. Come take a chance. Slide in. I know. Will you see? I know.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for AliPearl hair, and today I'm reviewing their pre-styled braided unit. This is something that I would do on a unit, so I'm very impressed with the fact that this unit came just like this. I didn't have to customize it at all. The only thing that I did do was just like add a little extra baby hair here, but there were even some baby hairs pre-made like on the side. I just kind of slicked them down and added a little bit more to them. But look at this, you guys, and the lace is great. It came bleached already. The parting space is great, like everything. Like, I'm just so impressed with this. And you guys will not believe it, but I did not even flat iron this unit. The only thing that I did do was just like bump the ends a little bit so it can have like a little bit of a curve to it, and it's not just like straight down. But this hair is bone straight out of the package. Like literally everything you think you need to do is already done for you. The knots are bleached, the hair is already pre-styled. It even has like rubber bands and everything on it. I did have to redo mine. As you guys saw, I just made mine a little bit more flat using gel and hairspray. This unit actually already had hairspray on it, but I needed to just touch it up a little bit so that it like works for me. Look how flat I was able to get this unit. It's so flat and just like perfect. I have no complaints whatsoever. And the actual quality of this hair is amazing. Like this is some bomb hair. Like I would definitely suggest, if you're one of those girls that wants to like do the whole bundle and sew in kind of thing, I would even consider getting bundles from them if you don't wear wigs. But if you want this wig, definitely get this wig from them because it's pre-styled and ready to go for you guys. This was so quick and easy to put on. And it also had the pre-cut lace as well, so you don't have to worry about cutting the lace, and I didn't have to worry about like cutting a bunch of extra lace off. The only thing that I had to do was just align it to my natural hairline and then cut around the ear tab part. But other than that, everything else is just A1. Like I have no complaints. Look how silky this hair is. Just like bone freaking straight. Absolutely love it. No tangling whatsoever. The other thing that I really like about it is the density. It's very full. It's not like all extra thin and like see-through, and it's full not only from the root but down to the ends. Like the ends are just as full as the rest of the hair. It's not like all see-through like all down here, so I love that about it. And I do currently have this unit in a 22-inch. I did not want to change anything. It literally came perfect, and I'm really impressed by how well they were able to like braid this unit, how like well it was styled. Like literally this is something that I would do. I cannot stress that enough. I'm pretty sure you guys see me do styles like this before where I had like pre-braided a unit, but like even how they have like the perfect curve part all down the center, all around the side. And this is a very popular hairstyle that I've been seeing a lot of people doing like all over Instagram. It's perfect for the girlies who want to get like some of that hair back and away from your face and also be a little bit more creative with your look, because you can definitely pull all the hair back with a unit like this and it just gives like, you know, shoulder, you know what I mean? And like look how silky it is in the back. It's just bomb. Like I cannot get enough of it. And it just has like, I just added the rubber band back, but this is how it was before, and it's just like a little piece that goes to the back like that, nice and flat. And I just love this unit. Like, hello. And the other thing that I really like about it is that it's not a bunch of flyaways with this unit. The hair didn't come to me with any weird smells or anything like that. And you guys can see that this is a beautiful jet black color. This is not like a dark brown, like most units come like dark brown. No, this is jet black. So you don't even have to dye it jet black or anything like that. Like, it's just this is just a no-brainer for me. We really got to get into this. Like, look how well it's pre-plucked. Look how well the braids are done. They're so neat. Like, are you kidding me? This just looks so bomb. Like, I like how natural this looks. Like, it's definitely giving scalp. And I like the fact that this is a full frontal, so the tracks don't actually start until back here. You have all of this space up here to work with, and you can definitely play around with it. And I just like how silky straight this is right out of the box. Like, I cannot complain whatsoever, okay? So yeah, I'm not gonna talk your ear off too much longer. So shout out to AliPearl Hair for sending over this pre-styled unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, let me know by liking the video, drop a comment down below, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.